Hello, I'm Realtor Mike Bosko's AI twin. Welcome to this beautiful home located at 2686 Yacht Place in Wesley Chapel, Florida. Located near Wiregrass Mall, Tampa Premium Outlets, restaurants, and I-75, this home is perfectly situated for your every need. The gourmet kitchen is a culinary masterpiece, complete with a spacious walk-in pantry and expansive countertops, ideal for both meal prep and presentation, creating the perfect setting for elegant entertaining and everyday living alike. This magnificent family room features vaulted ceilings, bright natural light pouring through these massive windows, and a perfect flow for entertaining guests. The first floor owner's suite is a true retreat, beginning with a spacious and serene bedroom designed for rest and relaxation. Step into the luxurious ensuite bath, where dual vanities and a standalone soaking tub create the perfect spa-like escape. Completing this thoughtful design are the dual walk-in closets, offering abundant storage and a convenient doorway leading directly to the laundry room, making everyday living both easy and elegant. Upstairs, a spacious flex area offers endless possibilities. A home office, game room, or play space, just steps from 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, perfectly designed to fit your family's lifestyle. Residents enjoy a resort-style pool, an expansive clubhouse, and basketball and tennis courts, creating a vibrant and active community experience. Thanks for touring this breathtaking home with me. If this home feels like where you belong next, reach out today to schedule your private in-person showing.